Today's been a huge moment for Eden Mill. We've just installed our wash and our spirit still, which will become the focal point of our distillery, situated in the picture window overlooking stunning Eden Estuary. The distillery itself will finish just at the beginning of March. We'll then start to fill casks in the middle of March. Following on from that, our brand new visitor centre will also be opening this year, and we're hopeful to have that ready for early July in time for the summer. This is a great addition to what is a really special area here, so I think it's fantastic to have a brand new distillery so close to St Andrews, so close to the home of golf. Also, we'll have a world-class visitor experience attached to it. We look forward to welcoming a huge number of guests from all over the world, who are single malt fans, gin fans, people who want to just come and be part of this really special place and come and see us in our new home here in St Andrews. For any distillery, that moment you bring the stills in is such a special moment, and for us it's just been great for the team to see it all come together after all the hard work that's gone in. Great with our partners we've been working with as well, who've helped us get to this point, and we just can't wait to get it open.